Hello, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you are in the world. I am Miss Marjorie, and I'm going to share with you some Jamaican proverbs and their meanings. Alright, let's start. A faithful promise make fool glad. That means don't be fooled by those who make big promises but never deliver. So the next one, Adies Picnic Niam Rockstone. That means stubborn children face negative consequences for their actions. Next, bend the tree while it young. When it old, it hard for broke. This means it is easier to train a child when they're young than when they are older. Alright, let's see what we have next. Bucket go well every day, one day the bottom must drop out. This means don't overdo it or take things or people for granted, or one day you will no longer have them. Alright, chicken merry, hawk the near. While you enjoy yourself, be mindful of dangers that might be lurking. Next we have cockroach no business in a foul fight. This means don't get involved in things that have nothing to do with you. Alright, the higher monkey climb, the more him expose. This means as someone's status or success increases, their flaws and shortcomings become more noticeable and harder to hide. Doppy know who for frighten. This means bullies know who are the most vulnerable ones to target. Every mickle make a muckle. This is a real oldie but goodie. This means every little bit adds up to something bigger. Finger never say look here, him say look yonder. People never like to point out their own faults. Alright, fire there mus tail, him think a cool breeze. Trouble is often disguised as something good, so examine things carefully. Next, good friend better than pocket money. Having good friends is more valuable than having a lot of money. Hot niggle bun tread. Being impatient can derail your efforts. Hey, this one good. Jack Mandora, me not choose none. This means I have explained it the way I received it. This one says, learn to creep before you walk. Don't be hasty. Take one step at a time. This one says, me no want ear ass dead and cow fat. Get to the point and don't waste my time. Alright, this one, me old but me no cool. Don't underestimate me because I'm old. Listen and learn. Me throw me can, but me never call no foul. I didn't call any names and was speaking generally. But if the cap fits, wear it. Hey, nanny goat never cratch him back till him see wall. Wait for the right moment or opportunity. Not every kin tita laugh. Not everyone who smiles at you can be trusted. Alright. Not take insult for invitation. Never accept or respond to an offensive remark or action as if it were positive. Don't be no fool for nobody. This one say, no trouble till trouble you. Don't go looking for trouble or problems. Let them come to you. This one says, no wait till drum beat before you grind your axe. Don't wait until the last minute to get prepared. Old file can't sharpen new machete. Always use the correct tool for the job. This is one of my favorite. 1 cocoa, fill basket. Small steps and steady progress eventually lead to success. Peacock hide him foot when him hear about him tail. A proud person does not like their weaknesses to be exposed. This one says, play fool for catch wise. Pretending to be ignorant to get the better of someone who is overly confident or knowledgeable. Pound a fret can't pay ounce of debt. Worrying, fretting or dwelling on problems will not solve them. Next, rock, stone or river bottom no sun hot. People who have easy lives can't understand other people's struggles. Okay, sake a mouth, fish get catch. Talking or revealing too much can get you into trouble. And some of you love to talk. Scornful dog, nyam dirty pudding. Don't be too judgmental and proud because you could end up in a similar situation. Okay, alright. Shortcut draw blood, long road draw sweat. A longer, more arduous path may be tiring, but it is safer than a risky shortcut. Okay, see and blind, ear and deaf. See no evil, hear no evil, mind your own business. See me and come live with me are two different things, and this means things are not always as they appear to be. Sometimes you have to suck salt through wooden spoon. Use your skills and abilities to overcome difficult situations instead of seeking an easy way. Yes, this one. Sorry can't buy soldier Larry. And that means an apology is not enough to make amends or fix damage that has been done. Sorry for Maga dog, turn around and bite you. Some people you help are the ones who turn against you. This one said, time longer than rope. Time will reveal the outcome of certain situations. Today for me, tomorrow for you. Life is a series of highs and lows, and everyone has problems at different times in their lives. Too much of one thing, good for nothing. Even beneficial things can become harmful or useless in excess. Too much rata never dig good hole. That means too many people doing one task can hinder the quality of the outcome. Trouble not set like rain. Unlike bad weather that can be forecast, problems can arrive when least expected. So, be alert. What sweet nanny goat a go running belly. Things that are tempting can lead to negative consequences. Next, wanty can't getty and getty no wanty. Be grateful for what you have and don't take it for granted because sometimes things you want are not easy to obtain. When trouble take you, pick the shot fit you. When in a difficult situation, accept solutions that may seem inadequate or beneath you. Work with it. When man belly full, him broke pot. When people are thriving, they tend to forget what it was like to struggle and are insensitive to the plight of others. When you dig a hole, dig two. When you are causing mischief and grief for someone else, expect it for yourself too. You can't make blood out of stone. It is difficult or impossible to get something from someone or something, especially if they are unwilling or unable to provide it. This one says, You can't plant corn and expect peas to grow. You can't expect a different outcome if you haven't put in the right effort or taken the right steps to get the desired result. Alright, that's all for now. Gonna take care and see you in the next time.